Hi everybody, it's Robbie from Southern California, and today I'm going to show you how I make a cucumber drink. You can use any cucumbers you want. We pick ours from the garden, and I'll show you two cucumbers here. This one is from Gary's garden, and he calls this the apple cucumber. That's what it was called when he bought the seed. This is just a regular pickling cucumber. I'm going to show you how easy this is. Anybody can make it. First, you want to rinse it. That's all you have to do is just rinse it, wash it off. And that is it. Now what you have to do is just put it in a blender. Now this is just magnificent because it's raw. It is so good, so healthy. You got all the nutrients in there. That was alive. If you don't want the little stem on the end, you can cut it off. If you don't care, which I don't care, you know what, let's cut it off because some of you don't want the stem. I used to eat them when my dad used to make pickles. Just put them in the blender. Now, since I want to store this for the day, let's say I want to use this container. So I'm going to take this container, I'm going to fill it up with water. It's really this easy. This way you don't overshoot on water, and I'll tell you, normally when I'm not filming like now, I don't measure. I just pour the water in. Now, pour your water in. Put your cap on. And just go for it. Now you turn it off. Now you find, I find, something like this, a good measuring cup, a strainer that's been washed. Now, before we strain it, this will be up to you. I use a strainer that's not too fine, but not, not super fine like a tea strainer, which you can use if you want it almost crystal clear. If you want to get more of the cucumber in you, more nutrients, you can go as big as you want as far as the strainer. But this is all there is to it, and I'll show you what we're going to do with it. Now you just pour it in here. Pack this back. We don't need this anymore. We're done with this. Look at that. Oh my goodness. It smells, oh my gosh, it smells wonderful. Does it smell good? So now what you're going to do is you're going to pour it in your jug. This is it. Now let me show you something. There are multiple ways of using this. Isn't that beautiful? From your garden? Look how fresh, and if it's from the grocery store, get an organic cucumber, do the same thing. Let me go grab some ice. So this is how I drink it. All I do is just add some water, and then I top it up with my cucumber drink. That is one way of doing it. You can absolutely drink it straight. Gary just comes in and drinks it straight. I love flavoring my water. Oh my gosh, is this good? This is good. Now, if you wanted to, you could add mint to it when you're blending it. You can do what you want, but let me tell you right now, by not adding mint or anything else to it, and just having this wonderful cucumber pulp, you do not throw this away. You can eat it as is. You can mix it with a little mayonnaise, little vinegar if you want, anything you want, dash of salt and pepper, and make a dressing out of it. What I do with it is I make salsa out of it. So when I'm making salsa from the garden with tomatillos and tomatoes and peppers and all that, I mix this in. The flavor is wonderful. Worst comes to worst, you can compost it. But it's fabulous. I wouldn't compost it. And you know what else you can do? On a really cold night, all you have to do is add some boiling water to your cup, and then top it off with the cucumber water, and you've got a wonderful cucumber tea. I can drink this all day. This is so good. So I hope I've given you an idea how to make cucumber tea, cucumber drink, cucumber water, and it's that easy. I wouldn't cook it or do anything. The only time you're going to make it warm is when you're adding it to a cup of tea. But otherwise, you are getting full nutrients that Mother Nature gave us. in her beautiful fruit. With that, have a wonderful day, and don't forget to eat what you grow, or drink it too. Boy, this tastes good. I like cucumber just straight. So good.